My name is Carlos McWhorter, CPA, and today we have Investing Basics Part 2, where I give you the world of investing in bite-sized information. So today we have enterprise value. So what is enterprise value? So yesterday we talked about market cap, which is the total value of the company. Enterprise value is the total value of the company, but accounts for the debt and the cash that is on the company's books. So why that is important, let's get into it. So enterprise value equals the market cap plus debt minus cash. So we're doing this because if you think about it, if I buy a company outright and the company has debt on their books, that's an additional cost to me. I have to pay that liability. Conversely, if cash is on the books, that is a benefit to me. So that would lower the true cost of the company. So this is why you take the market cap, you add the debt, and you take away the cash. For an example, Meta has 2.5 billion shares outstanding at $627.93 per share. That's a market cap of 1.59 trillion. Let's look at the enterprise value. They have $47 billion of debt on their books and $77 billion of cash. That means their enterprise value is $1.56 trillion. So a company with more cash on their books than debt is going to have a lower enterprise value than their market cap. If the debt was higher than their cash, then the enterprise value would be higher than their debt. So that is enterprise value.